Hi, my name is Paula and I will be teaching you guys how to find the lowest common multiple. The first thing that I want to do is define what the lowest common multiple is. What is a multiple? A multiple is a number we get after we multiply a number by an integer. Multiples go on forever. So the multiple for 8 would be 16 and 24 and just keep going. Those are all multiples. But today I'll be talking about the lowest common multiple of 10 and 25. So we're trying to find the lowest common multiple. So the lowest common number that is a multiple of both. And I'm going to be doing this by showing you how to use a factor tree. And a factor tree just gets numbers down to their prime factors so that you can't break them down anymore. So for 10, we have, what gets us to 10? 5 times 2 equals 10. So we can't break these down anymore, so we'll move on to 25. And what equals 25? What times what equals 25? 5 times 5 equals 25. And that can't break down anymore because nothing except for 5 times 1 is a multiple of 5. So I created a Venn diagram to just make it easier for us to see the numbers that these two numbers share. So the two numbers that they share is this 5 and this 5. So here we'll put the 5 in the middle, and we are left with a 2 for the 10 and a 5 for the 25. And if we look at it this way, what is 2 times 5? Because it's in its circle. So what's 2 times 5? It's 10. And what's 5 times 5? Because it's in its circle. 5 times 5 is 25. So what we're going to do to find the least common multiple is times 2 times 5 times 5. So we're multiplying 2 times 5 times 5. And 2 times 5 is 10. Times 5 is going to be 50. So our lowest common multiple is 50. Okay, so since I taught you how to find the lowest common multiple using a factor tree and a Venn diagram, I'm going to show you a different way. This is the listing method. So again, we have 10 and 25. And what we're going to do is we're just going to list the multiples of 10 and 25. So the multiples of 10 will be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and we could go on and on, but I'm going to stop there. So the multiples of 25 are going to be 50. And the way I like to look at 25 is it's like a quarter. So if you have 2 quarters, it's 50 cents. Then you have 75, 100, 125. But I'm going to stop there. So what numbers is the lowest common number that they share? It's the lowest common multiple of each. Well, we can see it's 50 because we have listed out both of the multiples, and the lowest one that they share is 50. So our LCM, or our lowest common multiple, is 50. And this is the listing method.